To create a good still life, you also need to think about the lighting and the background as much as the subject. Use the location to set your still life. A good directional light source is the key to a strong composition. If the room lighting is diffused, use a simple lamp to create an artificial light and use paper to control light falling on your object. Use drapery color to contrast your object. Arrange 3 to 4 objects in such a way so that some overlap, showing clearly what's in front of what. After setting your still life, choose your angle differently and it should let the eye around the composition. Start drawing with thumbnail sketches to ensure proportion and balance the angle of your still life. Then final drawing should be drawn and clean the extra drawing with needed eraser. Your drawing should be balanced and all the objects should be proportionate to each other. With watercolors, we start with the light colors first because once we lay down the dark colors, it's hard to undo. In watercolor technique, we go from light tone to dark tone colors, and areas which have highlights should be left from the very first tone. Due to the transparency of watercolors, light tone or colors won't show if they are covered up with darker tones. Use the color palette to mix your colors and add the appropriate amount of water. Always make sure to wash your brushes well between colors so you don't get muddy mixtures or dull colors. Too much water can result in colors that are too light, and too little water can result in thick colors that can be used in darker areas.